How to change Pinterest username. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And after that, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on Edit Public Profile. And using the username field, you will be able to delete your old one and choose a new username. Just make sure that you choose a unique one so that other people aren't already using it. And once you do that and you choose a username, click on the done icon at the top right of the screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your username on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.